So once Nouns Coffee was out and the initial excitement and income of orders, etc., have come out, now that you've taken maybe like a step back, how do you reflect on the project itself? Was it kind of what you expected? Has it been bigger? I understand you have some partnerships that are in the works or have started. Can you kind of speak to the impact and kind of the future of Nouns Coffee?
Yeah, definitely. The initial reception of Nouns Coffee that we got from the community was beyond what I even expected. I think we had 50 to 60 orders within the first hour or two of launching the website, which, as I said before, in the crypto space, people will say they're excited, but they almost will never buy into things. So, like, just seeing those orders come in was this really nice affirmation that, oh, cool. Even these people who are very, like, sometimes flaky, but also just having them buy into our project and see that, oh, cool, people are interested in Nouns Coffee was really, really rewarding. After the initial like week or two of launch, when everyone bought their coffee, they got their mugs, then it obviously started to dwindle out a little bit. And that's where some of these partnerships are coming in that I think are going to help us reach people outside of the crypto space, which I think is one of our biggest goals at Nouns Coffee is to like have people that know about crypto to be our smallest demographic when it comes to purchasing Nouns Coffee. And so one of the big ones that we're working on now is actually exciting because it garners attention from another funded Nouns project. So Nouns Esports is this funded project where Nouns now has an esports team where they sponsor a bunch of different games, a bunch of different athletes and players to be able to keep them going and fund them as they play in all these tournaments around the world, winning matches. It's really, really cool to see. I would say like that project in terms of reach and visibility has been the most successful Nouns project to date. They're getting thousands and thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views on their streams when they're playing in these tournaments. And it's cool because they're like all wearing the noggles and the Noun sunglasses that people have made. And so that's super, super cool. And in gaming, you think Monster energy drinks like Rockstar, Red Bull, all these things. And that's cool. Nouns doesn't have a G Fuel type product at all, at least not yet. We need to keep these people fueled and caffeinated. Nouns Coffee is caffeine. It's a really cool brand. It's really fun. It's obviously Noun centric, just like Nouns Esports. So I reached out to some of the people who run the Nouns Esports team. I was like, hey, I think there's something here. We're both Nouns projects. Let's support each other. Let's figure out what we can do. And so we're really close to releasing a referral program with all of their athletes. And so what we'll be doing is every single player will be getting a referral code that then on all of their streams, they'll be able to share with all of their viewers where they will actually get a little kickback too from every time their referral code is used. They'll get a certain percentage. It's kind of like a give situation where we're helping out the Nouns esports teams while they're also helping out Nouns Coffee. So that's a really, really exciting partnership, which I think is probably going to be going live in the next week or two. That's number one. And I think that's going to really help us reach an audience. It's adjacent to crypto, but like it's outside of crypto in a way that I think it will help make Nouns Coffee so much more sustainable.